Good day. We want to look at methods of typing into general ledger GL via Excel window, and we will also learn something new, how we can have different customers GL rather than having a blanket debtors GL. We'll be able to select different customers, and the detailed chart of account will have this codes GL and so on, and but I've actually uploaded a detailed video on that on YouTube, so I want to make this video to be simple, so I'm not using code, I'm only using just the GL name, and I selected this and I give it a name range as a GL list by typing this here and hit the enter key. And let's quickly look at the making of the different GLs. Here I have whether it is debit or credit GL, they are similar, only the balance calculation will be different. I have date, detail, debit, credit and balance, and in this balance I simply took equals D4 because the first transaction is considered to be a debit, so equals D4, and the next balance will be equals the first balance plus D5 minus E5, and if we have any figure here, then that same figure will be populated downward, but I don't want that to appear as long as we have not posted for the line. So I've added if statement, that if the date is blank, then the value should be blank, otherwise the formula will be in place. And after writing the second one, then we can select that and copy down. So the second one can be selected and copied down, will mean that we only have to write the first and the second formula, and the same thing applies to the different GL. And let's look into the window design. So click developer tab, Visual Basic or Alt F11, and let's double click here. So I've designed this user form. I have different labels here for labeling purpose, they are not reference. So I have this text box which is a TB1 and is for date. Then I have a TB2 which is for details. I have TB3 which is for debit GL, TB4 for credit GL, and TB3 and TB4 will enable us to dynamically select different sheets so that we can post into the respective GL. And here I have a combo box which I've named as a TBCU. Here we can select different customers. So 3 customers have been mapped for test running. So here I have okay, and I have another label as amount. Then I have a test box here named as TB5 for the first amount, and a TB6 for the second amount. So debit amount and credit amount, but they are expected to be equal. So once we type in the figure for the first one, the second will automatically update. And let's double click this command button which I've renamed CMD post to see the code. Double click. So we are going to have 2 sheets for every transaction, debit and credits, and that's why I've declared 2 variables here. So demi as long, j as long, and the usual way to get the last row is to write this way: sheets, sheet 3 dot cells rows dot count. If you are starting from column 2, then dot end SLO dot row, but I don't want to have just one sheet reference, I want it to be dynamic, so I'm not using sheet 3 or sheet 4. So whatever is the content of TB3 and TB4 will be the sheets to be referenced. So I equals sheets TB3 dot test dot cells rows dot count column 2 dot end SLO dot row. So this will be the last row for the debit, and a J will be the last row for the credit. And after determining I and J, then we need to increase that row by 1 to post into the next available row. So we have a sheet TB3 dot test dot cells I plus 1 column 2, so that equals date, and then columns 3 will be details, and anytime we have debtor we add the details plus debtor. Then column 4 will take the debit amount, and when we move to the next GL or sheet, which is the credit. You have tb4.test, and J will be used there. So we also increase the row by 1. Column 2, the same as this, will take date. Column 3 will take details, and instead of column 4, then column 5 will take the next amount. And after posting, we have the message box. Sorry, we have the message that posting has been done, and we clear the text boxes or the command control buttons apart from this that will not be cleared. And once the first amount is updated, then the second amount will be populated immediately. That's why I have TB5 after updates, then TB6 will be equals to TB5. Once you click on the form of the window, TB1, which is date, will get the value of the date that is set in the computer. And I will explain this code later. And we would have been through with the coding except for dynamic selection of debtors. When we have a debtor selected, we want to be able to select different debtors, and that's the additions we have here. And if TB3, which is already explained, if TB3 equals debtors, then I will take the value of a VLOOKUP of whatever debtor is selected. Then we look at that in range sheet 3 during customers. Let's get back to the Excel. So here I've selected this range and given it a name range as a customers, and whatever customer we select to look into the figure beside it. And I actually started with 4, 15 and 26. Let's look at the data here. So we have date here. It means that the last row here should be 4, and the next position should go into 5. So the last row is 4, the last row here should be 15 if we have not posted. Last row should be 4, last row here should be 15, but I have posted 2 more, and last row here will be 26. So I started with 4, 15, 26, so that the next row will be used. Okay, so 4, 15, 26. Once we post, a customer name will come here, and the row will increase by 1. And rather than this static figure, then whichever customer has appeared here with the row being increased, then the value here will change. So I said, if the customer name here, the formula here, so if the customer here equals this, then the value here will come down here, and otherwise we'll take this. But I've used a small macro to copy whatever we have here and paste it down here, so that as the row is changing, the starting position tool needs to change to avoid error. And that's why we have a small macro here. Now whatever we have in N with formula should be copied. Whatever we have in range N with formula should be copied to range O. And I've actually called that macro here, call the small macro here, and like I explained, the name of the customer will go to range R2, and the row will increase by 1. And let's quickly see how that works. So we can click here. If we have a D for debtor, like credit sales for instance, credit sales, let's take customer 1 for instance. Okay, so customer 1, 7,000, let's post that. And if you look into this, so this is customer 1, the figure here that was 4 initially has changed to 5. Has changed to 5 because the last row was 4, and that has increased by 1. So this became 5, and that has been copied here. And let's see that. So customer 1, 7,000 we just posted. Let's post to customer 2. 2, and the row has increased by 1. That has automatically been updated. And see customer 2, 20,000. We are able to dynamically select different customers or debtors rather than having blanket GL as others. Thank you.